another YouTube video. If you get it, but you got a boost for Discord server if you're in it. So maybe you think I'm doing that. Boost for Discord server. It says all the stuff you need to know there. What's up, guys? We're gonna play some PvP today, and that's about it. Maybe we go to Hangout. Maybe go to Forest or something. Okay, let's go over to PvP. It's a bit glitchy today, which I think's a bit weird. But hey, you never know. I just gotta hope there is someone in PvP. No, I'll see if I can get some people to come into PvP with us, because PvP is pretty fun. Basically, the premises of that is like it's fling, so you hit people with a hammer and they go off the map. It's kind of like a circular version of Island, but a bit bigger. There's no trees or anything to make it easier. Yeah.
Where's all the people at?
Doing horror, do you want to play PvP?
How do I boost the server first?
You gotta go into the Discord. Do you have Discord?
How do you get into that?
Do you want to play PvP?
I want to play!
Okay, I'm gonna go play as well, because I need to do it for my YouTube video, so.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be in a video. Is gonna be in a video. I never been. I have been in like 100.
Oh, cool.
I think you're faking, though. I don't know.
No, I am. You can also search up my friend who also plays this game. His thing's Licky Mouse VR. He's got
YouTube name. I want to subscribe.
Ray7 _ 54. But also subscribe to my friend Licky Mouse VR. He has about 4,000 subscribers.
Right.
So subscribe to him.
Wait, after do you want to go to horror with me and get this?
Sure. Yeah, I already have it.
Right.
But sure, I'll play horror.
We could find. Wait. Ow, my finger. No, actually, wait, my finger. I punched it.
Yeah, that happens to me a lot. Yeah! 2 times for charm!
Twice. No, can I kill you once? You kill me twice.
Yeah.
Did you record already or no? Wait, did you record?
Well, looks like I'm stuck in this little loop for now. Still not the best at PvP.
I got you 3 times.
Stay alive. Oh no, please don't hit me. Oh crap.
Hey, was that funny? I got you twice. Or 3, 4.
No. Hello. You wanna play PvP with us? I'm recording, so.
Sure.
Yeah, I started it ages ago. Phew.
Smack him first. Smack him first. First smack him.
Smack me.
He doesn't.
Can you smack me?
No, you die. I beat miners.
Wait, I'm laughing.
My hammer here.
Did you click the hammer button?
Hey!
Yeah, click this.
I died.
I clicked it.
I think it should work.
What is it?
Huh, seems my arm isn't working. I really need to get it in the tracking sensor.
Only click it once.
There we go.
Once, right? Oh my god! Well, so you know that too, well. Oh my god! I almost got him, guys. Wait. Dream on.
He's got it. No.
Hey, don't kill me. Oh shit!
Buh. Wash. Wario. It's a me, Wario.
Tom Holland.
I could launch you far. Wait, how am I? Wait, I need to breathe. I need to breathe.
Where'd he go?
Body. Oh, I got him.
Yes.
Thank you. How do I hit you like that?
Oh wait, not my arm. Stay back.
Hey, I launched you far, right? I launched you far, right? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, you.
I got him.
I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna go to the mirror because I'm gonna end the video now because I just want to make it into like a short or two. So see ya. Do you want to hit me off?
I'm sure, yeah. Oh! Wait, just jump off, right?
Wee. Come on then.
Was that funny? Was that funny? Was that funny?
Yo.
I'm gonna end it with you.
Goodbye.
Don't ban me! Don't ban me! Don't ban me!
Oh, you're a trusted user.
Oh hi Bellows. I haven't seen you in a while.
I bet.
Yo, can I tell you?